Hello everyone! Today we are excited to demonstrate how to create a page in Devum App Studio. We will also show you how to effectively incorporate a grid layout to design the page according to your specific requirements. We can create the layout using the grid layout control in Library. Let us show you how to do that. Grid layout control is available in Page Layout. We can drop the grid layout in this way. Once the grid layout is dropped, we can see that it has 4 columns and 4 rows. On clicking the Edit, we can see the Design mode. On the right side, we can see the configurations of the grid. We can customize the dimensions and the background color of grid. Each columns can be customized from here. We can even delete the column or the rows accordingly. Now, on click of Edit icon on top left, we will be able to merge the cells. Therefore, we will merge all 4 columns into a single cell. Pressing Escape will trigger the cell merge. Now, let us switch back to Designer mode, and on click of Edit, we will repeat the same steps for the second row. This is the method for adding a grid to our page to provide structure based on the desired design. Thank you.